Inserting events, inserting events. All right. What? This thing freaked the hell out. Thank you for completely exploding Eclipse. That was really helpful. Not getting the output was very informative. Packet for query is too large. You can change this value on the server. Okay, so the maximum insert of 5001 is just too much. Alright. Let's change that to 1000. Or 1500. That's kind of what you have to do with telemetry stuff, is just things get too big and you end up having to do things like, you know, dealing with memory and all sorts of random trash where you're just like, yep. $15,000 events. Okay, that was from the last hour. So let's see, all session events. It's looking correct. Alright, let's grab our game data from the last hour, of course. Let's see, we didn't add any new telemetry events total, so we don't need to change that. Let's take a look at our game session events, which looks like it's pretty good. Cool. Alright. So it looks like we are getting our correct information. Excellent. Well, let's get our stuff built. Alright, so we've got that, so I need to make the ETL jobs. So, to do that, I'm going to need to build the Java tools. And I'm going to go ahead and drop the tables of the production database. We can always refill all that data if we need to. So I'm just going to go ahead and drop the 3 tables. And then we're going to regenerate them. So let's update that jar file. And let's update the jar file in Maelstrom. Alright, that is uploaded. So let's go run our sync build tools. The other thing we need to do is we need to update our... Oh, come on, get off of my screen. We need to update the config for the ETL sending stuff. So I think it's mail tools. Go away. And let's add some recipients for some of this. Come on, Skype sucks. God, I hate Skype. It's so bad. Like, you can't scroll without the thing just lagging like a bitch. Come on, scroll. Oh, I can't even fucking highlight either. God, Skype is such a pile of trash. Alright, and I need to sync my configurations. Let's see, it looks like I also broke a build here. Okay, so I need to fix something in my project. Let's see, it's saying Type of EBS comparison is not implicitly convertible to EBS condition value. Okay, so why don't we close everything? This is inside of Dashkin game utils.cpp. On Visual Studio. Do you want me to find the file? Do you want me to find the file? Alright, I'll go find the file. No, you open up game mode. That's Visual Studio. You're killing me here. Like, this is Game Utils, Visual Studio. It exists. It's called Game Utils, and it was right where it was last time. So, 146. So, this condition... Type of EBS comparison is not convertible to EBS condition value. So what is this? If we have an F condition, so this is a condition. So condition dot comparison. This should be comparison, shouldn't it be? Comparison is a type of EBS comparison. So because the condition is time. Alright, so let's see, that was line 145, 172, 229. I think that was everything. So let's make sure it builds. Alright, so we've synced the configs out there. I need to sync the build tools again. So get that going. Then I can test the ETL jobs. Make sure they fill our production data. So we synced our build tools, and let's go ahead and enable this guy and build it now. Telemetry database, and inserting. And that looks like it's doing what it should. And alright, so let's go through our various jobs. So we should kick off our 64-bit build there, make sure it works. See, our game data is finished inserting events, so we check the database. And we have plenty of game data information. Looks like we got everything. Excellent. Alright, so that built. The telemetry stuff looks like it's finished. And I've got my shipping build cooking for that guy. So, I think I'm done with the Maelstrom telemetry stuff for today. So I will be right back. Alright, so I think I am done for now. So thank you for sticking around. I am going to chill out for a bit, and I'll probably start back work on probably get back started on stuff later today. We will see, though, of course. But that's progress. So thanks for sticking around, and I'm going to go take a break. So goodbye.